All right, in this video, we're going to talk about applying lubricant to your tools. Normally, I would suggest that applying lubricant is not necessary. I don't think unless you're crazy about it, it could hurt the machine. Generally, we try to keep liquids out of the machine, right? Because it's not 100% enclosed. This is also why the machine does not have any active coolant operation. It's not 100% enclosed, and the electronics might suffer if too much liquid is used. But every so often, a scenario does arise where something like a lubricant is useful. And in the universal clamp operation, there are two deep drills with a 1/4-inch drill for which you may benefit with lubricant. I don't think it's 100% necessary. I think we've got a good pecking strategy, but it doesn't hurt to add it for this case. So for the lubricant, WD-40 is probably okay. This stuff called Tap Magic, I think, is even better. That's what I've been using. I've had luck with it. The process of putting lubricant on the tool is actually quite simple. So on the screen where it suggests using lubricant, if you click Next, it will move the tool into a location where it's easy to apply some lube onto the tool. So it's going to stick it out. We're going to take the cap off of our lubricant, and we're just going to gently do a few drips onto the tool, right? We're not going to go crazy here. Even that was a little bit much. You see, I made a little bit of a puddle down to the bottom. I didn't need to give it that much. But now we got a nice, decent amount of lubricant, and we're ready to start milling. I'm going to click Next to begin the milling process, and you'll see the tool is going to start cutting. Alright, so now it's going to begin its drill. You'll see how it's doing these shallow little pecks. So what I've been doing, in addition to applying lubricant at the very beginning of the operation, I have also, about halfway through the operation, I have added some additional lubricants. Now, we're not halfway through yet, obviously, so to just demonstrate what that looks like. Once again, I will very carefully and very gently put my bottle into the machine, right on this side, and I'll just gently drip it onto the tool. Again, don't go crazy. That little bit is probably enough, and that'll refresh it during operation. And you should notice a change in the sound of the drilling after you put some lubricant on. That indicates that. So that's really all there is to adding lubricant. Don't add a crazy amount. Don't waste your Tap Magic, and be careful if you do add some during the operation. Obviously, it's always inadvised to stick your hands into a running machine. So if you choose to do it, just be careful.